Hello everyone សួស្តីអ្នកគ្នា Welcome to Speaking Khmer ខ្ញុំ ឈ្មោះ Hieng and today video we are going to continue about the letters and sound of the Khmer alphabet. So this is a part 2. If you did not see the part 1 yet, go back to my video and check for the part 1. So we are going to do today is the same thing that we have this Khmer alphabet, the Khmer alphabet, the symbol, my symbols, and this is the example, the words of each letter. So we are to continue again. The first letter we call thaw, 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 th sound, thaw, and we say Thansur, Thansur, Thansur is a heaven. And these letters you will not see a lot. So only a few words with this letter thaw. But the sound thaw you will hear a lot because in the Khmer alphabet, so a few thaw is the same we can say the same sound thaw thaw thaw. So you will see the sound thaw in the next one. And the next one, do, do, do like the, but this is not do, 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 doek, doeur, doek, doeur. You know doek, doeur, doek, doeur, the silkworm, silkworm. So most people they like silkworm, so they eat doek, doeur, doek, doeur. And this one we call thaw, thaw, but these letters you never see as well. Only one word that we write with this letter, but the sound is thaw, thaw. We call, and the word that we always see in our language, we say Theamra, Theamra. Theamra is a kind of bird that we call like a dodo. Dodo, it is similar to the duck, but not we never see in Cambodia. But we use only the word Theamra. Okay. And the next one, no, 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 Naem, Naem. That's not your names. What is your names? So this is Naem, I with the I sound. Naem, the spring roll, the spring roll. But the fresh spring roll we call Naem. Okay. And this one, thaw, thaw, letter thaw, thaw, ta, ta. You say ta, or you can say Lok ta, ta or lok ta is a grandpa, the grandfather. Okay, lok ta. And the next one, thaw, 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 Thnam, Thnam, thaw, no, not yet. Okay, no. Thnam, the medicine. So any kind of medicine we call Thnam, and a few things we also call Thnam as well, but I will show you later. Okay. Next we have thaw, 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 which is thaw, deer, duck. Deer. Anyone like to eat duck? I don't eat duck. Deer. Okay. And we have thaw, 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 thom, thom, big, big. It's like Uncle Tom. The one word that most of the all the foreigners know about the temples is Uncle Tom. Everyone know very well Uncle Tom. Okay. And also toe in here, you can see the toe. This is toe, right? And this is a letter toe. And this is also toe. Can you see? So with the toe, we use more with this one. We don't use with this one. Yeah. And next one, no. 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 No, 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 no. Neang. 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 She. She. Neang. Ball. 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 So this is a little bit hard for you are just a beginner as well. That you say bay. Mùi pi bay, but don't pronounce it bay. This is the ball sound is like you close your mouth, ball, you open your mouth slowly like this, not like that, not ball, you become a ball. But this is ball, ball. Okay. Bart, bart, bart. Yes, but it's only for the boys. For the boys only. For the girl, would just say like cha, 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 cha. Paw, paw, paw. This is paw. This is ball, paw, ball, paw. Okay. Like that. Ball, ball, paw, 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 pka, 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 pka with the flowers, pka. Okay, let's go back again. Thaw, doeur, thur, gnaw, thaw, thaw, doek, toe, no, ball, paw. One more time. Thaw, doeur, thur, gnaw, thaw, thaw, doek, toe, no, ball, paw. Okay, thank you very much for watching. So hope you enjoy the lesson. See you next video.